You ever seen panko made from tapioca pearls? Tiny, translucent pearls don't seem like something that could turn into a crispy coating. But with a little patience, you can create a unique panko that's perfect for fish, seafood, or even fine dining presentations. Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Add the tapioca pearls and cook them until they become completely translucent. Depending on their size, this can take some time, so don't rush the process. Once they're fully cooked, rinse them under cold running water to remove excess starch. Now spread the pearls onto a silicone baking mat. The layer must be very thin. This is important because a thick layer won't dry evenly. Place the tray in the oven and dry the tapioca at around 60 degrees Celsius for about 6 hours. When the tapioca is completely dry and brittle, break it into smaller pieces and transfer them to a grinder or food processor. Blend slowly using short pulses. The goal isn't to create a fine powder. You want to preserve some of the original pearl structure to mimic the texture of panko breadcrumbs. And that's it! Your tapioca panko is ready to use. It works incredibly well as a coating for fish. For this piece, I coated the fish in flour, then egg white, and finally covered it with the tapioca panko before frying. You can add squid ink to the cooked tapioca before drying it and create a striking black coating. You can also use larger pieces as a crunchy cracker for plating and finishing dishes. The possibilities are surprisingly wide. So now I'm curious. How would you use tapioca panko?